Hello students, today we are discussing chapter number 2 of class 9th, that is polynomial. Let us understand what is polynomial. A polynomial px is a one variable, that is x, is an algebraic expression in x of the form. That means the polynomial expression is given in the form of px, that will be equal to an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 dot. That means it's a continuous equation plus a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0. Here we can observe that the an, that means a0, a1, a2 and an are constant terms and x is our variable. So this x to the power n, that means degree of x is decreasing with the next term. That means here on the first term we have an x to the power n, and the next term the value of an minus 1, that means one value is decreased. Similarly the power of x is also decreased. Here we have x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 a2 x2 a1 x to the power 1 plus a0 x to the power 0, and power 0 of any term, any variable, any constant is equal to 1. That means a0 into 1 will be equal to a0. Now each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. Each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. Coefficient means multiple. Now what do you mean by multiple? And what does it mean? Each term of a polynomial has a constant. Let us take an example. Suppose we have a polynomial minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. So we have to understand so many things with this particular equation. Coefficient of x cube. Coefficient means multiple. So the multiple of x cube in this equation, the multiple of x cube, we will get nothing here. That means if there is nothing multiply with any particular term, that means 1 is always there. So minus 1 x cube is minus 1 is the multiple of x cube. That means coefficient of x cube is minus 1. Similarly, the coefficient of x square is x square. Here we have x square and its coefficient is multiple. The multiple of x square is 4. So multiple of x square is 4. Now the coefficient of x, here the coefficient of x is 7. The coefficient of x is 7. Now coefficient of x to the power 0. In this equation it is not possible for us to find x to the power 0. But as I already told you, x to the power 0 will be equal to 1. So x to the power 0 will be equal to 1. Power 0 of any term is equal to 1. So here we can assume that we can write it x to the power 0. X to the power 0 will be equal to 1. So x to the power 0, the coefficient of x to the power 0 is minus 2. Now one more type of polynomial, that is zero polynomial. Let us consider equation px is equal to 2. Zero polynomial is also known as constant polynomial. Let us understand what is constant polynomial and zero polynomial. That means if a polynomial which has x to the power 0, that will be equal to, and we have already discussed x to the power 0 will be equal to 1. That means px will always a constant term, 2 or a or any particular thing. That means a zero polynomial has only constant term and there is no variable in zero polynomial. Now let us move towards the example of some polynomial. Let us consider this polynomial will be represented in the form of px. Here we are discussing three examples of polynomial, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now what is monomial? Px is equal to 2. Px is equal to 2. Px is equal to 2x. Px is equal to 5x cube. Px is equal to minus 5x square. These all are the example of monomials. Now let us understand what are monomials. Monomials are the equation which consist of only one term. That means there is no other term. If suppose there is nothing plus, there is nothing in there is nothing added or subtracted with that particular term. So monomials are types of polynomial that consist of only one terms. Mono means one. Now binomial, as it is clear from its name, bi means two. That means this particular polynomial equation consists of two terms. For example, x plus 1. The type of example of binomial is x square minus x. That means this equation is also consists of two terms. Y to the power 20 plus 1 is also an example of binomial. U to the power 20, u to the power plus u to the power 2 consists of two terms. This is also example of binomial. Now let us move towards third types of polynomial, that is trinomial. Trinomials means tri. Tri means three. As it is clear from its name, that means the polynomial or the equation that consists of three terms are called trinomials. Here we can see that first example is x plus x square plus pi, where pi is a constant term. It doesn't matter that all the terms are of variable or one is constant, so it is a constant term. So there are total three terms, x to the power 1, x to the power 2 plus pi into x to the power 0. So here we have three terms. So it is a type of trinomial equation. Minus 2x square plus x plus root 2 is again a type of trinomial equation. U plus u square minus 2 is a type of trinomial equation, and this is also example of trinomial equation. Hello students, today we are discussing the remaining part of polynomial of class 9th. So this is part 2 for polynomial of class 9th. In previous class we have discussed the basic about the polynomials. Here we are discussing few more concept that is related to polynomial. The first concept is degree. What is degree? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is known as degree of the polynomial. That means what? Let us take an example to understand the highest power of variable in a polynomial is known as degree. Suppose we have a polynomial px. Here it is all represented that x is the variable, so x square plus 3x plus 2. Let us take this is an example. So x square plus 3x plus 2, where x is variable. So here we have the highest power of variable. Here the power of x is 1 and here power of x is 2. So highest power is 2. So we can say that 2 is the degree of this polynomial. Let us move towards the example of this degree. Let us take first example, 3x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 6 plus x plus 9. This is a polynomial equation, and the degree of this polynomial equation is 7, because in this, here we have x to the power 7, here we have x to the power 6, here there is nothing, that means x to the power 1, and here x to the power 0, because the power of 0 of any variable or constant is equal to 1. So the highest power of variable is 7. So we can say that degree of this polynomial is 7. Here x minus, this is one more example of to understand degree of a polynomial, x minus x square plus 2. So it is already clear that degree is 2 of this polynomial, because here variable is x and the highest power of variable is 2. So degree of this polynomial is. Now let us move towards some types of polynomials. First one is linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. That means all those polynomial whose degree, that means highest power is 1, are called linear polynomial. So let us understand some examples of linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the degree is 1. That means highest power of a variable is 1. So let us take example 2x plus 1. This is a polynomial and the highest power is 1. So x to the power 1. 3y minus 2. That means y to the power 1. That means the highest power of variable is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. And x minus 1. That means x to the power 1. Highest power is 1. That means this is an example of linear polynomial. Now let us move toward some other type of polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It means the polynomial whose highest power of variable is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Let us take some example. X square plus 2x minus 1. Here we have x to the power 1 and here x to the power 2. So in this particular polynomial, the highest power of variable is 2. That means this is an example of quadratic polynomial. 2y square plus 1, highest power is 2. This is again example of quadratic polynomial. Y square plus 6y, highest power is 2. That means these are the example of quadratic polynomial. Now the last type of polynomial which we have to learn in class 9th, that is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. That means the highest power of variable is 3. So here we have some example. 4x cube, here the highest power of variable is 3. That means this is an example of cubic polynomial. Second one is 4x to the power 3 plus 1, highest power is 3. That means this is again an example of cubic polynomial. 2x cube plus 2x plus 2, highest power is 3. That means this is an example of cubic polynomial. Minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 2, again the highest power is 1. So these are the example of cubic polynomial. So these are the basic of polynomials for class 9. With this basics, it's very easy for you to solve exercise 2.1. So student, please try to solve exercise 2.1. All the questions are discussed in the example of this types of polynomial. It is very easy to solve for you all. Please try at home.